Hi, my name is Matt Capell. I'm the owner of Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. So you have stumbled upon what's in the box. So we thought it'd be fun when we get our flooring samples, the new ones, to have me open them up and talk about them on the spot so you can see what the latest and greatest is, and it's just kind of fun to know what's out there and what's going on, and take something as mundane as opening a carpet sample or a flooring sample, and we get to see what we have. So appreciate you tuning in. So this one right here is from DH Floors. So we've been getting quite a few of these lately from this series. It's been the last, we've been getting quite a few of these lately. So this particular style is called Contentment. And it is probably part of the Durasilk solution dyed polyester, so that's good. Again, this pattern is random, so it means it's very small, so it's easier to seam together. But yeah, this is nice. So basically it's kind of a linear pattern, all samples, and even after you install new carpet, you'll get these fuzzies you have to vacuum up for a while. But yeah, this is a nice color. Let's see what we have on the back. So, by the way, this is soft, it feels good. So Contentment has the same names as a previous one that we've done. Basically things to tranquil, serene, peaceful, gentle, mellow, placid, cozy. So my bet is this probably has the same colors as another that we opened up recently, but it just has a different pattern to it. So what's fun when that happens is you can sometimes change up a room, especially if you have solid surface between those rooms, and it makes it so you can maybe have kind of the same color scheme but maybe a slightly different pattern. It's kind of a fun thing to do. So yeah, Contentment. I think that's about it. These colors are nice. I like how they do the blues. I'm a little partial to blue. I like blue. I live in the Boise, Idaho area. I do like Boise State. So, but yeah, this one's Contentment. So let's all be content and treat everybody with kindness this week when you see them. And anyway, we appreciate you taking time out of your busy day and schedules to watch these. Feel free to watch some of the previous episodes, but if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to comment below, or you can call or text us at our office. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.